What is today's date?
Today's date is the 26th of October 2022.
26th of October 2022. Okay. Okay, grade 11. Do you still remember what we have learned yesterday?
Yes.
What we have learned? What is a mode? What is a mode? Yes? Show me.
Mode is a value that appears most frequently in the data set.
Yes, let's clap hands for it. Mode is a value that appears the most in a given data set. What is how to find a range in a certain data set? Yes, certain.
Range is equal to the maximum value minus minimum value.
Yes, a range is equivalent to find a range. We say we minus the maximum value with a minimum value. Okay. What is a median? Yes, that.
A median is a number that we can found it on a data set on the mean.
Yes, median is a value that is located in the mid of a data set. Today, we are going to focus on a new chart, which is number pattern and sequence. Okay?
Yes.
The lesson objective of this lesson, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to create your own number pattern in addition to recognize its comprehend pattern in the world, identify and comprehend pattern rules behind its construction, extend pattern and also construct a new pattern using a various objects, which means that at the end of this lesson you should be able to construct your own number pattern. Okay?
Yes.
And also able to extend a given number pattern. Okay?
Yes.
Develop and enjoy mathematical patience and persistence when using a number pattern. Okay?
Yes.
Oh, according to your knowledge, what is a number pattern? What is a number pattern according to your knowledge? According to your general knowledge? Yes, Mtata?
First thing that I know on a number pattern is that there is a general formula on a number pattern.
Yes. Lola, what is the number pattern?
I think so, a number pattern is a sequence of numbers that are repeated in a formation.
Yes, number pattern is a pattern in which a list of numbers follow a certain pattern or certain pattern establish the relationship between two numbers. Okay.
Yes.
Our main focus today is based on we are going to learn about one type of a number pattern, which is an arithmetic pattern. Which is an arithmetic pattern. Arithmetic pattern. What is an arithmetic pattern? Arithmetic pattern is a pattern where a sequence is increased by or where is a pattern a constant, increase or decrease by adding a constant. It is a pattern where a sequence is increased by adding a constant. Anyway, is a pattern where a sequence is increased or decreased by an effect of a constant, by an or decreased by an effect of a constant. Do you understand?
Yes.
Like 2, 4, 6, 8.
Sir,
Yes?
is 1, 2, 3 also a number pattern?
Yes, 1, 2, 3 is also a number pattern because it is increased by adding a value of 1. It is increased by 1 unit. Okay?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
For instance, suppose you may be given a pattern like this 2, 4, 6, 8. What is happening in this pattern? Yes, Lola?
The number pattern is increasing by 2 units.
Yes, the number pattern is increasing by 2 units, by a constant of 2. 2 units, 2 units. Do you all understand?
Yes.
Yes. This 2 units, we call it a constant, D. It's denoted by D, okay?
Yes.
Arithmetic pattern is described by an explicit arithmetic pattern. Arithmetic pattern is defined by an explicit. Okay, class, arithmetic pattern is defined by an explicit formula in which Cn is equal to A plus D into N minus 1. This is a general formula of an arithmetic pattern. Okay?
Yes.
Tn, where Tn is a term number. Term number. Okay. Which means that if they ask you to find a term number, we use Tn is equal to A plus D into N minus 1. Okay?
Yes.
Where A is a first value in a sequence. A is a first value in a sequence. Okay, like here. What is the first value in the sequence?
It's 2.
It's 2.
Yes, the first value is 2, which means that A in the sequence, A is equal to 1 or 2 in the sequence. Okay?
Yes.
Then N. N is a number, a position. Is a position number, okay?
Yes.
N is a position number. Position number is denoted by N, which means that if they ask you to find a position number, they ask you to find the value of N. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. For instance, how to find a general formula of this sequence? Let's do it. We said the value of A is equal to 2. Then the value of D. Okay, class. To find the value of D, we found this. To find the value of D, we subtract the first term from the second term. Okay?
Yes.
Or we subtract the second term from the third term. Okay?
Yes.
Like 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay. Let's try to find the general formula of this sequence. Tn, general formula is denoted by Tn is equal to A plus B into N minus 1. Okay.
Yes.
What is the value of A? What is the value of A? Yes. Is that
2.
the value of A is 2. Why is it is 2? Yes?
Just because you said that the value of A is the first term
Yes.
in the sequence.
Because 2 is the first term in this sequence. Okay.
Yes.
How to find D? What is the value of D? What is the value of D? Amisan. Hukuman. What is the value of D? Yes, Shoma. What is the value of D?
Value of D is 2.
The value of D is 2. Yes, the value of D is 2. How you have obtained the value of D? Yes, come on. How you have obtained? How he has obtained the value of D? Okay. Yes, Mr. Can you please assist him?
You subtract the first number to the second number.
Yes, let's answer for him. To find out the value of D, we subtract the second, we subtract 2 from 4, which means that we subtract the first term from the second term, or the second term from the third term, or third term from the
Fourth term.
yes. The value of 2, the value of A, we said, is 2 plus the value of D is 2. 2 into N minus 1. Okay. It's N. Is equal to 2 plus these 2 will multiply throughout the bracket. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Which means we will have 2 and minus
2 is 2 and
2 times negative 1,
is negative 2.
which means that we'll have 2n minus
2.
minus 2. Okay. Then here we group the like term. What are the like term? Yes, you can say. 2. Yes, we subtract like term is 2 and 2. Okay, class. You all understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah.
Is it also a calculating if you say 1, 3, 5, and 7?
No, this is not implemented. Because we said that, and we said that the arithmetic 18 is a sequence which is increased or decreased by an effect of a constant. Okay. You understand?
Yes.
Suppose you may be asked to find the and the value of n. For instance, if they've said that found the fourth term, how to find the fourth term of this sequence? How to find the fourth term? Okay, or the how to find the fifth term of the sequence? How to find the fifth term of the sequence? Yes, Shoma? How to find the fifth term of the sequence?
I think you're gonna say you add the common difference with the last term, which you're gonna say 2 plus 8. Then you can find the fifth term of the 5 term.
Yes. Reflect that is a person that interest by this person is increased by 18 by 2, right? Which means that the fifth term we've said to find the value of the fifth term, to find the fifth term of this sequence, we will say 8 plus a constant which is 2. Then we will obtain the value of 10. Okay?
Yes.
Do you all understand?
Yes.
Okay. Here, if you understand, let me check whether you are confident. Teaches you. Here is a classwork. Suppose you may be given 5, 14, 12, 10, 8. Okay. Suppose you may be given a sequence like this. The first question is determine the general formula of this sequence. General formula of the sequence. The first question is determine the general formula of this sequence. Second question, write down the value of the fifth term of this sequence. Okay.
Yes.
Alright. Come on. Good. Okay, I think we are done with number 1.
Yes. Yes.
Can anyone come and do as a correction for number 1? 2. Okay, are we all done?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone who can come and do correction for number 1? Anyone? Yes. 10. Okay. Do I say?
Yes.
Yeah, to find the general formula of this sequence, we'll use this formula Tn is equal to A, an arithmetic formula. Tn is equal to A plus D into N minus 1. Okay?
Yes.
Firstly, we have to find the value of A. How to find the value of A? The value of A is the first term in the sequence,
Yes.
which means that the value of A is 14. Okay. Secondly, we have to find the value of D, the constant, the common difference, which is constant. Okay. To find the common difference, we subtract the first term from the second term. We'll say 14. D is equal to 14 minus D is equal to 12 minus 14. D is equivalent to 12 minus 14
-2.
is equivalent to -2. Okay. Tn is equal to A plus D into N minus 1. Okay? Tn is equal to A. The value of A is 14. The value of D is
-2.
minus 2 into N minus 1. Then 2 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by N is equal to 14 is equal to negative 2N. 2 times negative 1
+2.
plus U2. Then here we group the like term. 14 plus 12. 14 plus 2 is
16.
Tn is equal to T negative 2N plus 16. This is our general formula. Okay.
Yes.
Anyone who can come write down the value of the fifth term. To find the value of the fifth term is located here. Okay?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? To find the value of the fifth term, which means that we'll say 8 minus the common difference, which is equivalent to -2. To find the fifth term is equal to 8 minus constant minus into
-2.
fifth term is equal to 8 minus, again we've said that we add or minus the common difference. Okay?
Yes.
8 minus 2. Fifth term is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Is equal to 6. Do you all understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The important thing you have to keep in mind is that arithmetic pattern is a sequence that is increased or decreased by an effect of a common difference, which is D. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. On page in our textbook, on page 253, number 1 and number 2 is our homework. Okay?
Yes.
On page 256, number 1 and number 2 is our homework. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's call it a day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.